Complaining against an employer in the UAE involves several steps, and the process may vary depending on the nature of the complaint. For example, labor-related, discrimination, unpaid wages, etc. I will provide a general step-by-step guide. Subscribe to our channel to get more useful updates. Also, please check the description box to get the recommended books to evolve as an HR professional. Ignoring grievances can escalate tensions, leading to a toxic work culture. It's essential to tackle these problems early to prevent long-term damage to your career and workplace harmony. The first, attempt to resolve the issue internally. Discuss the issue. Try to resolve the matter directly with your employer or HR department. Many disputes can be settled amicably without external intervention. Start by discussing your concerns directly with your employer or HR department. Open communication can often resolve issues without external intervention. Document every interaction and piece of evidence related to your complaint. This documentation is vital if further action becomes necessary. If internal resolution fails, file a complaint with the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, MOHRE as office, or use their online portal to file a complaint. Ensure you have all supporting documents ready. Or you can also download the MOHRE UAE mobile application from your App Store. Register as a user using your mobile phone number. Choose the type of complaint, either salary complaint or labor complaint. Fill out the complaint form with the necessary information, such as your work permit number, passport number, and any supporting documents. Submit the complaint through the app. MOHRE will review your complaint and may mediate between you and your employer. Understanding this process can help you prepare for potential outcomes. If MOHRE mediation doesn't resolve the issue, consider escalating to the labor court. Knowing when to take this step is crucial. Prepare your case meticulously, gathering all necessary evidence and witnesses. This preparation is key to presenting a strong case in court. For complex cases, hiring a labor lawyer can be beneficial. They can guide you through the legal intricacies and represent your interests effectively. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you may seek assistance from legal aid services in the UAE. If financial constraints are a concern, explore legal aid options available in the UAE. Access to legal support shouldn't be a barrier to justice. Usually, as per my experience, once an employee registers a complaint, the matter is approached seriously by the ministry. They try to resolve it within 24 hours after filing a dispute. Only very complicated cases go to the courts. Appeal if necessary. If you are unsatisfied with the court's decision, you can appeal within a specified time frame, usually 15 days. The case will be reviewed by a higher court. 7. Enforcement of the ruling. If the employer fails to comply with the court's decision, you can request enforcement through the court. The labor court will issue a verdict based on evidence and UAE labor laws. Understanding this process helps manage expectations. Time limits. File your complaint as soon as possible. Delays may affect your case. Language. Complaints and court proceedings are typically in Arabic. You may need a translator if you are not fluent. Visa status. Ensure your visa is valid during the process. If your visa is canceled, you may still file a complaint within a specific period. Winning the case could mean compensation or rectification. Knowing what to expect can help you prepare for the next steps. Understanding the procedure and timeframe for appeals is crucial. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your case. If your employer fails to comply with the court's decision, request enforcement through the court. Timely action is essential to uphold your rights. Maintaining a valid visa status during this process is crucial. Ensure all legal requirements are met to avoid complications. Recap. Addressing grievances early can prevent workplace toxicity. From internal resolution to legal action, each step is vital for protecting your rights. Call to action. Take charge of your workplace rights today. If you're facing unresolved grievances, start by documenting your case and seeking internal resolution. Together, let's create a fair and respectful work environment. Your proactive steps can lead to positive change and a healthier workplace for all.